Let me tell you a story about a woman named Jane. She was one of those spendthrifts, the type who would throw dollars at anyone, essentially. Even stores, she would go out spending like there was no tomorrow. She never met a dollar or a product that she didn't like. Now, Jane happened to stumble upon George. Good looks, stability, and protective. This guy checked all her boxes. Now, George, could he be a spendthrift too? Or could he be someone completely opposite to her? How do you reconcile the two? At our Money Strategies for Stronger Couples workshop, we encounter all those types of matches that seem like they would never work, but there's a way. There's a way to achieve balance, and we help you figure that out. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.